Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 網絡 Internet access 網絡 網絡 Internet access 高速網絡 High-speed Internet access 高速網絡 IP 電話 IP phone IP 電話 IP 電話 IP phone 用個轉接器，我就可以將我部舊手機上網當做 IP 電話。With an adapter, I can use my old phone as an IP phone over the internet. 用個轉接器，我就可以將我部舊手機上網當做 IP 電話。公共電話 Public phone 公共電話公共電話 Public phone 用公共電話 Use the public phone 用公共電話本地通話 Local phone call 本地通話本地通話 Local phone call 我部固網電話可以喺自己社區度打免費嘅本地通話。I can make free local phone calls within my community on my home phone. 我部固網電話可以喺自己社區度打免費嘅本地通話。打 dial 打打 dial 打個號碼 dial a number 打個號碼電話號碼 phone number 電話號碼電話號碼 phone number 餐巾上有一個電話號碼 There is a phone number written on a napkin 餐巾上有一個電話號碼接線生 operator 接線生接線生 operator 打俾接線生 call the operator 打俾接線生長途電話 long distance call 長途電話長途電話 long distance call 打長途電話 make a long distance call 打長途電話晚 evening 晚 晚 evening 每晚 every evening 每晚朝 morning 朝morning 我每朝都飲果汁 I drink juice every morning 我每朝都飲果汁 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say internet access? 網絡 And how to say IP phone? IP 電話 What about public phone? 公共電話 Do you remember how to say local phone call? 本地通話 Let's try dial. 打 What about phone number? 電話號碼 Now, let's see if you remember how to say operator. 接線生 Another one. What about long distance call? 長途電話 Do you remember how to say evening? 晚 And finally, do you remember how to say morning? 朝 Well done! See you next time. 再見